Hey guys, my name is Deb. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am bringing content, honey, so I need you to subscribe. I promise you, you won't want to leave. Today I'm filming a CURLBOX video. I know this video a little late because it is CURLBOX the month of October, but you know, better late than never. Anyways, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I got this month. I did a little demo. I'm gonna show y'all how I felt about some of the products. Some of them I couldn't use because I just didn't want to, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I don't know if y'all know already, but this is the box that it comes in. I think the box is so cute. And oh my god, let me tell y'all, I've been trying to sign up for CURLBOX for a minute. Like, it's so hard because it's so popular. You have to catch that wait list. So I finally caught it because before I had Curl Kit. Go watch my old videos. They're really old, but go watch them because I definitely made some videos on them. But now I got the CURLBOX. The girl's moving on up, period. So yeah, let me show y'all what I got. Okay, so first off, this is what it looks like when you open the box. Open. And then it comes in like this wrapping paper. And then it came with this card. This card. And then the products, which I'm going to show y'all one by one. So this is the little pamphlet it came with. I'm pretty sure this pamphlet just like goes into detail about each of the products. Let's see. Taking care of your scalp while wearing a protective style can get tricky. Okay, so this is the Dark and Lovely line, and it's for protective styling. When I did the demo, I was not doing a protective style, but I was taking out a protective style. So same thing. And yeah, it just tells you how to use everything that's in here. I probably did not follow those directions. And yeah, on the back, so it just has Savage Styles. Then it comes with a little card. It says CURLBOX, and it says the CURLBOX Instagram. And it just says, hey girlfriend, show off your style. We want to see how you use the products in this month's box. Tag us with hashtag CURLBOX on Instagram, showing off your products on your hairstyle for your chance to win this month's prize. I'm not doing that because it's now November. Like I said, this theme is Dark and Lovely. So the first thing that I did use from this box is this cleansing water. I'm not going to lie, I did not have faith in this cleansing water because it's water and I need shampoo, you know. But don't sleep on this. It's actually pretty good. I just use this to wash my hair. I like how it's in this little tube right here because I just applied it to my scalp and just it was directly there. I didn't have to worry about putting it on my hands and then scrubbing it to my scalp. So I did like that. It just says cleansing water with aloe gently cleans hair and scalp, and it does that. So this does the trick. It's really nice. And it just says, our new way to care for your protective style. Cleansing water easily flows to gently cleanse scalp and hair to not disturb your style. Okay, so that also makes sense. Like, okay, so right now I have some passion twists in my head. So sometimes, you know, you just want to get the, whatever your scalp may be itching. You just did your hair. You don't want to take it down. Take some of this. Put that right in your scalp. Scrub it. Rinse it out. You should be good. So I did like this product. Okay, so the next product I used is the Detangling cream with peppermint oil and avocado. So this is actually supposed to be used for takedown. I was using it as like just a regular detangler, and it still works. Don't get me wrong, but it did feel like it needed to be washed out. So yeah, I would definitely use this when you're taking down your hair. It says melts away buildup during takedown. So that's what it's supposed to be used for. I just did not read the directions. I just went straight into it. But yeah. On the back, it just says, our new way to care. Oh. It just says, our new way to care for your protective style, condition and soften hair during takedown with our detangling cream. So, yeah. Okay, so the next product is the Tension Tamer with peppermint and avocado oil. And it just says, lotion with cooling sensation helps ease hair tension. So I don't braid my hair. I do my own hair. So I don't do my hair too tight. But I know sometimes if you go to like a hair salon, they may just be bugging out. So I guess you can use this for that. I did not use this product yet. So if you want to know how this is, stay tuned on my Instagram. Follow me. I will be telling you guys on my story how some of these products are. But yeah, on the back it just says, ease hair tension caused by protective styles with a refreshing cooling sensation to help maintain the look of healthy hair at the scalp. Okay, yeah. So I'll definitely be using this, and I'll update you guys on how I feel about this one. Okay, so the next product is actually not a part of Dark and Lovely, but I did use this one. I used to use this before. I did use this to smooth my sections for my hair so I can get nice neat sections, and I do like jam. This is extra holds. I would not use this for my edges. It does not work like that, but when you just want to get your box braids in check, these are definitely it. But it just says Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel Extra Hold, 3 times less breakage. And on the back it says, its micro emulsion formula provides great hold, shine, and conditioning with up to 3 times less breakage. It says slick it, shine it, define it with conditioning hold that moves with a stroke of a brush and a classic fragrance. It does smell really good. I would not use this to define your curls. I definitely would not, because it's just really thick. But when you like doing a slick back bun or something like that, like they said, I would do that to slick your sections for your box braids or your passion twist or whatever. I would use this. So yeah, this is good for that. Okay, so the next 2 products I don't think I will be using. Giveaway. It's a color hairspray. I don't want to color my hair any type of crazy color. So, maybe I'll give this away. Or if you guys want, let me know. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of products that I won't be using, because I will be getting the CURLBOX every month. So if you guys want, I can save these up, make it into one big package, and then do a giveaway. So, this one is called Bombshell Blue, and this one is called Pretty in Pink. It says easily rinses out. And it says makeup for hair, go intense. Vibrant color that pops on dark hair. No ammonia, no peroxide, no bleach required. Temporary color rinses out in 1 shampoo. So these will be a part of a giveaway. I don't know when that giveaway will be. I'm going to try to stock up on products first and then give them away. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you will know when I do this giveaway, because someone has been asking me to do a giveaway under every single one of my videos. I'm not going to say no names, but yeah. So I will be giving these away. Okay, that is it. My CURLBOX is empty. I am excited to get into these 2 products and use them the right way when I take down my protective scalp. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for November's CURLBOX video. That should be coming soon, since I am a little late with this one. So I'm gonna try to upload this real quick, get that CURLBOX, film another one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of these videos. Comment down below what other videos you want to see in the future. Subscribe if you're not already. Share my videos on your social media platforms, and follow me on my social media platforms. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
My left stroke just went viral.